We want to determine the factors of 12. When you're trying to find factors of a number, you're thinking, what numbers could multiply together to give me 12? So first of all, we can think 1 times 12, 2 times 6 would equal 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. There are no other numbers that would multiply to give me 12, so those are all the factors of 12. Once you have determined all the factors, then you list them in order from least to greatest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So these numbers are all the factors of 12. Another way we can determine factors of numbers is to start listing them in order right away and think about it like a rainbow with each pair of factors connected together. So thinking about numbers that would multiply to give me 32, I have 1 and 32, and those would be connected together. I have 2 and 16 that would multiply together to give me 32. And lastly, 4 times 8 would give me 32. And those would be connected together as well. And we already now have all the factors of 32 listed in order from least to greatest. Now we want to determine the prime factors of 20 by using a factor tree. So we start with the number 20 at the top of the tree. And then we need to think about a pair of numbers that would multiply together to give us 20. It's not important that you choose the correct pair of numbers, as there are many choices, because in the end we're breaking it down to only have prime numbers remaining. So I'm going to choose 4 times 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. Now I'm only allowed to keep the number if it's prime. So let's think about the number 4. 4 is not a prime number because it can be broken down into 2 times 2. So that's what I'll do for 4. And 5 is a prime number, but we still need to bring it down to the same level as all the other ones. Now I'm left with 20 being written as 2 times 2 times 5. All of these numbers on the bottom of the tree are now prime, so I know my tree is done. So to finish this off, 20 can be written as its prime factors of 2 times 2 times 5.